Welcome back to Desert Chat, Doctor. Always
Great.
nice to have you.
My pleasure to be back, okay.
Well, this time we're talking about the fact that June is Men's Health Month.
Okay.
And, you know, it's so important because I have found in my experience that a lot of men don't necessarily want to voluntarily go to a doctor. So talk to me about that and what is important for men to be mindful of with their health.
Well, I think going to the doctor at least once a year is very important, okay? Doing routine annual blood work can pick up a lot of things that, you know, you don't feel necessarily badly, okay? And you're exercising and you think you're eating correctly, but until you get there and get the true picture through blood work and examination, then things can be found and they can be treated, okay?
Good to have that baseline, right?
Exactly.
When you're younger.
If I can share a personal story, if that would be okay for you. Being in the field, we think we're invincible, of course, and we're never going to get sick. But I did start, as I got older, started doing annual physicals. And I went from knowing I had a family history of heart disease and diabetes and, other issues, I wanted to be on top of things. So last year, feeling great, went for my annual physical, had my stress test to rule out any cardiac issues, had my colonoscopy, that was clear, had my blood work, no diabetes, no cholesterol issues, but bingo, so I find that my prostate blood test was elevated. Now, I had no symptoms. Knowing my father did have prostate cancer in his 70s, I thought I really should pursue this.
Sure.
And I did, unfortunately, go through the process and was diagnosed with prostate cancer. It kind of stopped me short in my tracks a little bit, but nonetheless, I feel that if I had not gone to the doctor, I would never have known. And with that said, I feel like now I can actually go forward. And it's been now almost a year since that happened, and I've actually back to full-time, back to my exercise, so I'm back in my swing again,
Yes. Well, we're so glad to hear that. Let our viewers know where they can get more information.
Well, you can go to our website, Desert Oasis Healthcare, and we'll be happy to set up annual physicals. In fact, we reach out to all our patients, whether it be over 18 to all the way up to in their 90s, okay? And we encourage them to come in for an annual checkup.
Great. Well, we appreciate it. We love everything you do. And again, we're so happy that you shared good news with us.
Thank you.